This is an unboxing. Hey, what's up guys? Ken here with another gear video, but the subject matter is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be about the outdoors. I like the outdoors, and it's kind of got something to do with fitness, so you know what? Here we go. This gear unboxing was requested by a fan. Okay, fine, he's my dad, but okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. Same thing. Anyways, the gear that I'm going to unbox today is this Soto camping stove. Now this is the version that my dad got from Japan before it was available in the US. It's available in the US now, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go check that out. Now this Soto Stormbreaker is I think it's a refinement of numerous generations of this form factor of a stove. Is that going to focus? No, my face is still there. Focus. And so there's a lot of like nice features that help you in camping. I don't know much about it myself because I haven't really used it. But I do have a stove that has a very similar compact form factor, and it's very convenient when I do go camping. First of all, check out the price. You know it's good because look at it, $21,000. Just kidding, that's yen. I think that's about $170 to $180, somewhere around there. But let me read to you a couple of the features that are kind of standouts in this, and I'll do my best because my Japanese is a little bit rusty. So this comes with a smarto pompu, which translated to English is smart pump. It comes with a gasu barubu, which means gas valve in English. Bana besu, which means burner base. So this is a liquid fuel pump, and it actually works with any type of liquid fuel, so that increases its versatility. And I actually have all the specs here, but they're all in Japanese, so I can't read it to you. Here's a couple of notes just to kind of get us started though. Just to get an idea of like the weight and everything, this thing, the burner by itself is 225 grams. The gas valve is 53 grams, the pump is 170 grams, so total it's 448 grams minus all of the, I guess all the pots and the fuel that you'll have to end up carrying. The fuel consumption rate is about 150 grams per hour when it's lit, so you can kind of do the math depending on which one you take. Anyway, since this is not a review, let's get to the fun part of this video, actually getting to the unboxing. So this stove comes nicely packaged in this box, and it comes with stickers. I'm always a fan of stickers, you know, kind of represent the companies and the equipment that you use. So let's see here. Okay, so this is the smart pump that you put into the gas tank. We'll set that aside right there. Get a little, I think this is a carrying pouch for all of the stuff in it. Check that out. Nice little thing right there. Focus. There we go. These are little tools and stuff for you to do tooling stuff. And I think this is part of the actual valve for the for the stove itself. Oh no, so this is the valve, and I think this is like the stand that helps it stand. Or maybe I should just kind of check out what the heck everything is. Oh no, this is the stand for the actual fuel pump when you're using one of these style pumps, the dome. You stick it on top this way so that the fuel actually runs down, and you can kind of just set it down like that. Some instructions, but instructions are for noobs and people who get stuck often like me. Here is your little base plate for you. Nice heavy aluminum. That'll last a few uses. More paper. And here's the stove itself. It's actually pretty hefty. This thing feels like it will last many outdoor trips, which I hope it does, because it's not a cheap stove by any means, but it's very compact. So this little pipe that goes through this plate here, this is where the fuel runs through so that it vaporizes before it ignites as it comes out of this plate. Now this plate, they've actually made it a part of the actual stove this time. I think in the past this was a second piece of equipment that you had to carry around and then put it onto the stove itself before you used it. These nice fold out little legs, they fold and snap open like that. So in order to close it, you have to press in, do that, and then once they're open, they lock open. So that's basically the entire thing. This smart pump right here, let's come back to this. This works with these wide-mouthed fuel canisters that you put it in here. You lay it on its side. You have to use the pump to generate a little bit of pressure so that the fuel comes out properly. At least that's my understanding of how all this works. But yeah, that's basically everything that you get in the box. Very compact. I definitely would use something of this form factor for camping, for backpacking. It's very small and it's very light, but it doesn't feel light in the sense that it feels cheap or anything. It feels robust, and it feels very durable, so that's very nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Soto Stormbreaker stove, and I would definitely feel pretty confident in taking this on a camping trip or a backpacking trip, but until that actually happens, I can't really comment on the actual performance of it. If that ever happens, you'll hear back from me. Anyways guys, until next time, peace.